Hey everyone! So today I got my graphics in for my '06 CRF450R. So we're going to be applying them to the plastics that are already on the bike. I know the seat is absolutely awful looking, so that'll be in a later video, recovering and putting new foam in the seat. And hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so I got all the plastics off. I'm going to be taking these sport covers off as well. I'm going to be getting new ones of these before I put the graphics on, probably black ones I'm thinking. These ones are pretty beat up and stuff, so yeah, so I'll be cleaning these up. Yeah, they're pretty dirty, so cleaning those up next, and then starting to put some graphics on them. Alright, so we got the graphics onto the plastics, and cleaned up the rear swing arm because we've got graphics going on them as well. And yeah, let's put all the plastics back on now. Alright, well it's all finished. I'm pretty pleased with the way it turned out. It looks pretty sharp. That'll be it for this video, but there will be future videos recovering the seat. I think I'm gonna also get some new rims for it too. That'll look pretty sharp. And I've got some new grips for it, but I think I might put some different handlebars on it too, just because I can. And yeah, I've also got some pretty good ideas for some future videos. Pretty excited about those. They'll be coming out about probably mid this summer, 2016. And yeah. So, if you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.